Hey there, IELTS candidates. Are you feeling ready to crush the speaking test and show the examiner just how brilliant you really are? Just before you do step into the exam room, I'd like to help you sidestep some of the most common pitfalls that trip up so many of you. These don'ts could mean the difference between an average band and your dream score. So just grab a pen, take some notes, and let's make sure you're set up for success. You've definitely got this. So let's dive in. Our first big no-no is don't memorize answers. The examiners can definitely spot a scripted response from a mile away. So trust me, it's not impressive, it's most obvious. Instead, just focus on practicing how to structure your thoughts naturally and confidently.
Importance of education in the life of a student. Education is one of the most important and mandatory elements in the life of a student. It helps the students to do analysis while making important decisions in life.
Here's a tip. Use practice questions, but make sure your answers sound fresh each and every time. And here's another tip. Remember, it's about communication, not perfection. Excellence is where we need to be. Next up, don't try to impress the examiner by stuffing your answers with fancy, academic, complicated words. If you use them incorrectly, it will backfire. Keep your vocabulary appropriate and natural, such as idioms. So use your words comfortably.
Subliminal, subliminal, subliminal. So subliminal. It's subliminal.
Here's an example for this. Instead of saying this topic is quintessentially significant to modernity, try saying this topic is very important in today's world. Here's another big one. Don't give one word answers like yes or no. The IELTS speaking test is all about showcasing your ability to communicate. If the examiner asks, do you like sports? Just don't say yes. Expand on your answer. Say like because. Add details.
Some of the president-elect's advisors have suggested that you should resign. If he asked you to leave, would you go?
No.
Can you follow up on, do you think that legally you're not required to leave?
No.
Here's an example. Don't just say yes, but do this. Yes, I really enjoy playing basketball because it helps me stay fit and meet new people. Another don't is don't let nerves make you speed through your answers. Speaking too quickly can lead to mistakes and make you harder to understand. Just try and slow down a little, breathe, and focus on clarity.
With my stuff listenings and hours of outrageous fortune, no take arms against to deceive troubles, my posing in them to die, to sleep no more by sleep, to say we am the heartache and 1,000 natural shocks that flesh, to discounts, page and double to wish, to die, to sleep, a dream, others, to refer in that sleep, death, which you come in the shift off this mortal comas, give spots. There's the spectrum is climb through life.
Here's a pro tip for speaking too quickly. Just pause slightly after each sentence so to collect your thoughts. Here's some good news on a don't, which mistakes are okay. So don't panic if you make one. If you say the wrong word, just correct yourself and move on. No biggie. The examiner is looking at your ability to communicate, not perfection. Strive for excellence. Here's a good example. I went to I traveled to the countryside last weekend. Pronunciation matters. You don't need to have a perfect accent, but the examiner should understand you easily. So practice enunciating clearly and work on some common sounds that you may have.
This is very tasty chocolate. This is very tasty chocolate. Chocolate. The puppy is very mischievous. The puppy is very mischievous. Mischievous.
Another don't is don't overthink. The examiner isn't looking for the perfect answer. They just want you to hear you speak fluently. If a question feels tricky, keep it simple and talk about what you know. Again, we're striving for excellence.
Of course, pal. Whatever you think is best, I will see to it. Huh?
Here's an example question. What's your favorite holiday? I love New Year's Eve because it's a time to reflect and set goals for the year ahead. And finally, don't forget to smile and show confidence. A positive attitude makes a huge difference. Smiling can actually help calm your nerves too. You've worked hard to get here. You're prepared. Show the examiner the best version of you. All right, friends, candidates? Now you know the 8 big don'ts for the IELTS speaking test. Remember, this is your chance to shine and show what you can do. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone else preparing for the test. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS tips and tricks. Until next time, keep practicing, stay confident, and go get that band score you deserve. I'll see you soon.